Hey guys, Peterbilt Mike here. Welcome back to the vlog. Today I thought I'd show you how I get my firewood. Because, I could go out to the bush with a power saw and a pickup and make 14 million trips, but that's labor intensive. And here, I'm all about problem solving. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching my log hauling buddy Tim unload a nice load of birch firewood for me. And enjoy.
Yeah. It looks better.
Lots of small enough stuff to just
Fucking stack. Yep.
Hey guys, I missed getting Tim trying to back under his Jeep there, but the driveway was just too slippery, so the truck wanted to spin, so he tugged the Jeep up onto the back of the truck, and now he's just loading the trailer, and that is what you call a jackknife reach. For obvious reasons. Kinda looks like a jackknife. And just like that, we've got Firewood. Now, I have to admit, this is actually a day or two after he unloaded it, but I forgot to do an outro. And that there is what $2,000 Canadian looks like in firewood, birch firewood. But I should process it today because gosh, it's a nice day. Sun shining, water's dripping. Although it'd be better if it was freezing right now because it's not good for my logging customers to have warm temperatures. 1, it's dangerous. 2, it's slippery. And 3, it gets muddy and soft and then you get shut down and can't work. And we need our guys working. So, and if it's gonna be winter, might as well just be winter, but it is a beautiful day. So, yeah, got my load of firewood. If everything goes as planned, this should cover me for the rest of this winter and hopefully all of next winter. Plus, I'm burning pallets still. But you know what? Shout out to my boss Mel at work because of course, Low and Slow is in the shop getting the window changed, so I couldn't pick up more pallets. And I says, well, you know what? The hardest part is bucking them up because it's so time consuming. So anyways, he hired someone to buck up all the pallets into pieces and I just have to load them in my pickup. So it's like a win-win. He gets rid of the pallets so it cleans up the yard and I can burn them for firewood. The only thing is I have to deal with the nails, but whatever, big deal. I got a metal tin over there, fill up the bucket, and if there's a ton of nails, like mostly nails, I'll take them to work, dump them in the steel bin, and then we'll get 49 cents for the scrap steel. But yeah, so I'm burning pallets, especially on days like today when it's not super cold out. Pallets work fantastic. When it gets to be, you know, minus 20 and stuff, that's when you want to crank out the birch. This stuff is not seasoned, so it's not ideal. But the one thing about the wood boiler is, if it burns, you can throw it in there. If it creosotes up a little bit, not a big deal. It'll burn itself out. And it also dries the wood as it's burning. So when it's like in the, I mean, I guess that's where the creosote comes from because it's wet. But you can actually hear it drying the wood like it's almost cooking it or sizzling it or kiln drying it. But you know what? If it fits, it ships. I didn't get on this program soon enough to season it and dry it because obviously it's got a little more BTUs when it's dry, a little cleaner, and but whatever. You guys didn't come here to hear about my wood. I hope not anyways, but anyways, maybe. Anyways, enough of that. So that's it. Wood pile, my wood pile. I should be cutting wood today, but I'm not gonna, because you know what? I got trucks to work on because I want to drive I want to drive K2 tomorrow, but I can't. But I want to drive Kenny tomorrow. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's Peterbilt Mike's wood pile. And if you're interested in it, that's how I heat my house and shop. It's fairly affordable, actually. Well, yes and no. You know, $2,000 for 2 winters worth of heat. It's not bad, but well, actually, that's not 2 winters. That's like a winter and a half or so. But yeah, it's not bad, but it's labor intensive. So that's the only downside. And living where I live, we don't have natural gas, and electric is expensive. So to heat that shop and that house, it's not bad. Not bad. And I need the exercise. You know, when we bought this place 15 years ago, I said, you know what? This would be great because it's like forced exercise. Because whether you want to do it or not, you got to do it. Well, if I could go back in time, I'd say, Mike, forced exercise sucks. Because well, I guess at the end of the day, that's the only way I'd ever get any exercise. It's got to be something fun or forced. You know, fun as in snowmobiling, dirt biking, motorbiking, quadding, snowmobiling. I like snowmobiling too. Haven't done it in a few years though. And working on trucks because that's exercise too, right? I think so. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit it now because I have a goal. By the end of the year, I want to reach 30,000 subscribers and 5 million views. And the only way I can do that is if you hit the subscribe button. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. If you want any key tags, email shoppeterbiltmike@gmail.com. And I don't know, that's about all I got. So I'm gonna go later. Gosh, it's almost slippery. Gotta watch out for these stuffs. Gotta watch out for the ice so Peterbilt Mike doesn't turn into oh Quit making fun of it, Mike, or you're going to end up on your butt.